If you've ever asked, do these RV tires still look fine? This video is for you. I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and I share practical tips for RV owners. If you own an RV, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get into exactly when you should replace RV tires. The first thing you should know about RV tires is that age matters more than tread. Most RV tires should be replaced every 3 to 7 years, no matter how much tread is left. RVs sit, and sitting is brutal on tires. UV exposure, temperature swings, and sitting under weight all cause the rubber to break down from the inside out. By the time a tire looks bad, it's usually already been unsafe for a while. The exact replacement age within that 3 to 7 year range depends on the type of RV you have. Travel trailers and fifth wheels usually fall on the 3 to 5 year end of that range, while motorhome tires can often last closer between 5 and 7 years. This all depends, of course, on use, storage, and proper maintenance. If you tow, it's smart to be more conservative with tire age. So, how do you check the age of your RV tires? You're going to look for the DOT number on the sidewall. These 4 digits tell you the date. The first 2 numbers is the week, and the last 2 numbers are the year. So for example, on this tire, we see 3323. That means the tire was made in the 33rd week of 2023. And since these are travel trailer tires, so we're going to want to replace them sometime between mid-2026 and mid-2028. If your tires are over 5 years old, you need to replace them. And at 7 years, they're absolutely done. No debates. Even if your RV tires haven't aged out, they still need to be inspected regularly. If you see or experience any of the following, it's probably time to replace them. Sidewall cracks or dry rot, bulges or bubbles, uneven wear, constant loss of air, or a vibration or thumping while driving. These are warning signs that a blowout is coming. And a blowout isn't just a flat tire. It can rip off your fender skirts, destroy plumbing and wiring, damage slide outs, tear up the side of your RV, or worse. That's why replacing tires early is cheaper than replacing them late. So we often get asked, what about tread depth? Tread depth matters, but it's rarely what ends an RV tire's life. Most RV tires are replaced with plenty of tread left because the rubber has aged and the tire has weakened internally before they've put on enough miles for the tread to wear. That said, if tread is worn unevenly or getting low, the tire should be replaced even if it hasn't aged out yet. If a tire is old or worn, it's done. To make your tires last longer, store them properly. Tires last longer if you keep them covered, park on pads, not dirt, maintain proper tire pressure, and move the RV occasionally. But even perfectly stored tires still age out. RV tires are one of those things you never want to gamble with. They're expensive, but a blowout is worse.